Get your ruler, right?
Okay.
Draw a line,
Straight line.
a straight line, like that, right? See, these guys are in a straight line, isn't it? So let's do that. Straight line, isn't it?
Okay.
Gotten a straight line. This is what you do with this straight line. Divide it into 7, right? So we already have markers on the ruler that can help us, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, oh, come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? So what we're going to do with this line is just draw it straight up from here, up like that. Next one is here, right? Draw it straight up like that. This one too. Draw it straight up. This one will also draw straight up. This one also draw it straight up, and like that. Number 8, right? Good. So now we have our what? These are our white notes.
White note.
Right? Let me draw a line here so that I'll mark where it stops. Okay? Now, if we have C here, remember our group of what?
Group of 2, 3.
Group of 2 and group of
3.
3, right? So it starts with a group of 2. So let's cut this one here, right? So maybe we'll draw this line like this. So this is the first note, second note in a group of what?
2.
2, right? So draw a line. This one too. Do the same thing. Right? So this is where you use your eraser. Clean this line here. Right? So we have our group of what now?
2.
Our group of 2, right? So this one, then here we also have another group of what?
3.
3, right? So let's draw the line here, here, here. Group of 3, right? So same thing. We draw our line. Draw a line like that. Okay. Then use your eraser again. Clean this line up to this point here, right? So that we can form our black notes, right?
Okay.
Now remember that the color is what?
Black.
Black. So let's shade it. 2, group of 3, right? So here is C, here is what?
D.
Where is G? So G, then where is B? And here is what?
F. A.
8. Here is what?
F.
F. Here is E. Right? So see, our line is still continuing here, right? So if I do like that, what will be here?
C.
C. And C like this will continue going up like that. Right? You get it?
Yeah.
So this is what I want you to come.